Hello! I don't know what to say. Okay, I'll just show our room. This hotel called Ayala. Ayala? Ayala Beach Inn Hotel, Ayala Hotel. So they have balcony, but our view is unfortunately not that good. But it doesn't matter. It's the experience that matter. They have little TV, where you put your clothes for drying. And then this is their bathroom. Nice bathroom. Complete amenities with blower, shampoo and everything, the usual. The shower is great. Strong pressure. And the bed is great too. They have this closet also. And most of all, it's 60 bucks per night. Great value for money. They have a big dining area with free breakfast.
Ah, sweet song.
Big. You can also eat outside if you want. Welcome to Gulhi Bikini Beach. Every public island has their own bikini beach where you can wear whatever you want. Only 1-minute walk from Ayala to Bikini Beach. Thank you. Wow, big.
Yeah.
Let's share.
Yeah, awesome fish.
And this is chicken tikka masala.
Awesome.
1 portion of rice.
Awesome, thank you.
Thank you so much. All of their staffs are so nice. I was excited. 2 of them are Filipinos. Baby! Baby! I hope I will not lose my phone here. Please, please, please.
Will take some egg maybe?
Sunny side up, eh?
Sunny side up.
Yes.
You
want?
Yeah, okay. Same, I guess.
Sunny side up.
That's,
After eating a limited breakfast, we will go to the beach and relax. We also work out at the beach every day and never felt someone's gonna judge us. Ocean is so calm, water is so clear, and you will see and encounter a lot of different fishes. Gulhi Island is one of my favorite islands in Maldives, and definitely staying at Ayala Ocean View is best deal. They don't have elevator, guys, but their staff will carry the bags for you. Don't forget to give a tip. There's a rainbow after always the rain.